You don't need money to make money, do you agree with it? Well, here it is, the capital you need to reach financial success. We're going to dive deep into a thought-provoking concept presented by the entrepreneurs in the world. Explore the idea that you don't need money to make money and how this can reshape your financial mindset. Let's get started. While many people believe that significant capital is necessary to make money, Seven Figures Leader challenges this conventional wisdom by shedding light on alternative approaches to wealth building. According to them, it's not the amount of money you possess, but rather the mindset and knowledge that will ultimately lead to financial success. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth. It's crucial to develop a mindset that focuses on creating value and leveraging available resources, rather than solely relying on money. So, let's take a closer look at some of the key principles he suggests. Principle number 1, invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your own education. By expanding your knowledge, acquiring new skills, and continually improving yourself, you increase your value in the marketplace, making it easier to generate wealth. To put this principle into action, consider exploring free or affordable educational resources, such as online courses, books, podcasts, or workshops. Develop expertise in areas that interest you and align with your financial goals. Remember, personal growth and knowledge are invaluable assets that can lead to financial success. Principle number 2, build valuable relationships. We need to stress the importance of networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. By connecting with people who possess knowledge and experience in the areas you're interested in, you gain valuable insights, guidance, and potentially even business partnerships. Valuable relationships, engage in networking events, join relevant industry groups, or participate in online communities focused on your areas of interest. Be open to learning from others and sharing your own knowledge. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and access to resources that can propel you forward. Principle number 3, leverage other people's resources. Instead of solely relying on your own money, seek out opportunities to leverage the resources of others. This could mean partnering with someone who has the financial capital you lack or utilizing crowdfunding platforms to finance your projects. The rise of the sharing economy and collaborative platforms has made it easier than ever to leverage resources. Explore partnerships, joint ventures, or even bartering arrangements to access the resources you need to launch or grow your business. Remember, resourcefulness and building mutually beneficial relationships can help you overcome financial limitations. Principle number 4, be creative and innovative. Think outside the box and find unique solutions to problems. By being creative and innovative, you can create products, services, or business models that attract customers and generate income, even with limited funds. Embrace your creativity and explore unconventional approaches to problem solving. Identify market gaps, discover unmet needs, and develop innovative solutions. By offering something unique, you can capture attention, differentiate yourself from the competition, and potentially create a lucrative income stream. Principle number 5, take calculated risks. Taking risks is an essential part of wealth creation. However, he emphasizes the importance of doing your due diligence, acquiring knowledge, and making informed decisions. It's about taking calculated risks that have the potential for high rewards. When considering a business venture or investment, conduct thorough research, seek expert advice, and assess the potential risks and rewards. Start small, test your ideas, and iterate based on feedback. Remember, successful entrepreneurs understand that risk is an inherent part of the wealth-building journey. In conclusion, everyone could reach financial success in any financial condition by embracing a mindset focused on value creation, continuous learning, resourcefulness, and calculated risk-taking. You can set yourself on a path to financial success.